Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month. Let us go through a few important things you should know about pancreatic cancer. Pancreas is an organ in your abdomen that lies behind your lower part of your stomach. It releases enzymes that help in digestion of food and also hormones that control your blood sugars. There are various types of growths that can arise from pancreas, including cancerous and non cancerous tumors, the most common being the pancreatic adenocarcinoma. It is very difficult to detect pancreatic cancer in early stage. Most often, it presents in advanced stage with symptoms like abdominal pain, loss of appetite, weight loss, jaundice, fatigue, and other symptoms. You need to see the doctor and get evaluated if you experience any of these symptoms. When diagnosed in early stage, an attempt can be made to cure the disease through surgery and other methods. In advanced stage, the aim is to control the symptoms and increase the survival through chemotherapy and other supportive measures, which can be individualized to each and every patient. So, the risk factors of pancreatic cancer are smoking, diabetes, family history of pancreatic cancer, certain genetic mutations like BRCA, obesity, chronic pancreatitis due to any cause, including alcoholic abuse. So, when you see those above risk factors, some can be modified and some are not in our hands. So, the modifiable risk factors like smoking, diabetes, and obesity and alcohol abuse can be controlled. So you can choose a healthy diet and maintain a healthy weight, stop smoking and alcohol to decrease the risk to some extent.